What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best pour-over coffee makers. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Pour-over coffee maker. Our editor's choice, the Mr. Coffee bbmc CPO-800P1 all-in-one at-home pour-over coffee maker, is one of the most unconventional choices on the market when it comes to design. This coffee maker features a main unit that houses an overhead dripper and a separate heating element for the kettle. Featuring a carafe constructed from glass, this machine also comes with an integrated auto measure for both the water level and coffee grounds. Overall, many of the users who tested this coffee maker were impressed with the stainless steel finish of the kettle and the overall design of the machine that instantly adds a touch of allure to your kitchen. The Mr. Coffee bbmc CPO-800P coffee maker sports a paper cone filter system, which allows for very easy care due to the fact that the paper cones are disposable. The smart interface of this machine is what makes it stand out from the crowd, and we like the one-touch performance that leaves you time for other important things in the morning. Operating the coffee maker is very easy, as all you need to do is add water to the kettle, place it on the heating plate, press the on-off button to heat the water at the optimal temperature, and then pour the hot water over the grounds in the paper filter when prompted. Many users raved about the excellent tasting brews you can get with the Mr. Coffee bbmc CPO-800P, and also the feeling that you get to be a part of the process every time you use the machine. Number 4. Cuisinart Coffee Brewer. A leading brand in the coffee maker's world, Cuisinart is the brains behind this top-quality pour-over coffee brewer that makes tasty and aromatic beverages every time. This is an automatic pour-over coffee maker that allows users to control both temperature and coffee strength. What we particularly like about the Cuisinart CPO-800 pour-over coffee brewer is the fact that its brewing technique manages to mimic pour-over brewing while sporting a completely automated process. With this machine, you can choose from 2 temperature settings and 3 flavor strengths: mild, medium, and bold. The 8-cup glass carafe is large enough to accommodate the entire family in the morning, and you can program the machine to have the coffee ready when you wake up. An auto start and adjustable auto shut-off function with self-cleaning capabilities complete this coffee maker. Most of the reviewers who tested the Cuisinart CPO-800 pour-over coffee brewer liked the fact that the entire brewing process takes less than 10 minutes, and the results are indeed spectacular for an automated machine. Many users compared the taste of the coffee you can obtain with this machine to that you would expect from coffee bar brews. This coffee maker sports a laser-etched stainless steel filter to enhance the coffee experience and also make the machine look stunning on your countertop. Number 3. Chemex Glass Coffee Maker. The history of this manual coffee maker goes back to 1941, when it was invented by a chemist. This is one of the simplest pour-over coffee makers on the market, but also a highly efficient one that has received raving reviews from consumers over the years. The coffee you can obtain with the Chemex Classic Series pour-over glass coffee maker is extremely flavorful and remains hot for longer thanks to the beautifully crafted carafe made of high-quality borosilicate. In order to use this coffee maker, you need the proprietary bonded paper filters that allow you to obtain a pure flavor every time without any bitterness or sediment. The filter is actually scientifically designed to suit the carafe, and this is the only pour-over coffee maker we found that allows you to store your brews in the refrigerator for heating without losing any of the flavor. Users who tested the Chemex Classic Series pour-over glass coffee maker were actually surprised at the quality of coffee you can obtain with such an inexpensive device. The elegant design is timeless and looks great on every countertop, and the coffee maker is fully manual, which means that you can control the strength of the coffee to make a cup just how you like. The capacity of the pour-over coffee maker is 8 cups, and it is very easy to achieve perfect results every time because all you need to do is pour boiling water over the grounds you have placed in the paper filter. Number 2. Hario Coffee Dripper. Available in a range of various designs, the Hario V60 ceramic coffee dripper is the best ceramic pour-over coffee dripper on the market that allows you to get a fully controlled brew at the fraction of the price of an automated coffee maker. You can make 1 or 2 cups of coffee with this dripper, which makes it perfect for a single person or a couple. Larger sizes are also available. What we like most about this is that you get your brew right into the cup without any need to transfer the liquid into a mug. The Hario V60 is very easy to use, as all you need to do is fold the filter paper and place it inside the cone, which goes over your cup. Next, simply add the coffee grounds, just off the boil water, and enjoy a cup of coffee. You can only use Hario filters with this dripper, but if you are feeling particularly adventurous, you can also try other filters, because we've heard reports of users who managed just fine with them. The bottom of this dripper fits just about any coffee cup, but if you want to make sure that you can use it with your favorite mug, just make sure that you check its diameter first. The inner ring that needs to go into the cup measures 2 1/4 inches. Number 1. Coffee Gator Pour-Over Brewer. If you're looking for paperless brewing, look no further than the Coffee Gator Pour-Over Brewer. Similar to the boated coffee dripper, this little coffee maker has a detachable stainless steel filter that allows you to use the carafe for other kitchen or coffee-related activities. The metal filter brews the coffee just right, and many users agree that the final result is a full-bodied cup of coffee that tastes just like it was made by a barista. What many users liked a lot about the Coffee Gator Pour-Over Brew is the fact that the company offers you a 100% risk-free experience, which means that if you don't like the device, you can return it, no strings attached. This is one of the best pour-over coffee makers on the market for those who are only looking to brew 1 or 2 cups. Because this coffee dripper doesn't use paper filters, and instead utilizes a laser-cut micro-mesh filter, you can expect a coffeehouse result every time, without any sediments and with an all-around full body. The 100% BPA-free carafe can hold between 10.5 and 27 ounces, depending on the model you opt for. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.